IGP's office, Yoko, the CID boss office, the GIS office, and the National Security Office, allegedly, let's say, Nyamabi El Koso, with respect to Chukwu the Jude, because you know, say, Dr. Hassan Ayaga petitioned all these bodies, right? And government said, you guys need to allow me do what I have to do. So I'm going to be telling you what is going on in these offices. And like I said before, no, we've been waiting patiently, train, and we want to know. We don't want to know what they go on. So we all the wait. But as we the wait, no, I dey tell you, people say whatever will go on in all these institutions, if Chukwu the Jude appear in all these institutions, I will come and give you guys the update with respect to what is going on if Chukwu the Jude appear in these offices. And I'm going to tell you exactly what is going on in this platform. All I want you to do is that stay with me. Now, when you watch the video, Bomodian say obe subscribe, no share, no comment. It's in a bear, feel anoba also obe. Now, I told you guys, say, after they went to Brewa and they came back, okay, Chukwu the Jude will be doing a couple of meetings and stuff like that. And I told you guys, say, he was planning to do something. But I mean, to me, who are the crop? And I'm who said it was his birthday. And I will tell you a couple of things that, oh yeah, I want a birthday and so on. He thinks he can buy his way out. After so, I'll tell you guys also what he was planning to do with respect to Nana Akufo-Addo Rollins, because you don't say he have been to JJ Rollins' office in Philippines. On the JJ cry at photo. So he has it at the back of his mind to do something. And I'll tell you guys in another video the feeler I got about that. Okay, I'll tell you what is going on under that ambient. But let's dwell on this and let's finish talking about this. Now, Chukwu the Jude, your friend was IGP office. Okay, your friend was IGP office for further interrogation with respect to the petitioner Dr. Hassan Ayaga. Ediba, you know, your friend Woho say allegedly, you know, he should come in and give account, disprove. I mean, whatever that Dr. Hassan Ayaga said about it, he should come in and say it is not true. It is unfounded. It is not what it is, right? Your friend Woho. Now, he thought say it's normal business. He thought say a normal business as usual. So Chukwu the Jude, I'm telling you, say, 291, 2, 3, 4. Fill out a BP and we'll figure it out and we'll bring it out to our people. Now, Oko police IGP Hono, he didn't get it easy because the pressure from the youth and the pressure that the youth is exerting on the police force, no, too much. And to Oko Hono, questions are putting, you know, he couldn't resist certain things. To me, yeah, no, papa. So I can tell you guys to say, in as much as Chukwu the Jude have friends within the political arena, our security services will never compromise things when it comes to that. But again, on that ambient, I will use this opportunity to speak to the IGP, Tete Iwolo. IGP, Tete Iwolo, you know exactly what is going on in Ghana. With respect to all the Igbos, the fraud activities they are doing, the kidnapping that you have to send people out there to Kumasi to go investigate what is going on. And so keeping this Jude man in Ghana, Mr. IGP, will not help us at all. You understand what I'm saying? I therefore want to use this opportunity to encourage you to hold on to the balls that you have, irrespective of what is coming from government. Please, and please again, Mr. IGP, hold on to this and squeeze out the balls of Chukwu the Jude. Squeeze the balls, no? Squeeze it until you say, "We squeeze yama." Say, "See, I didn't move yaba." Say, "Never wait, I can't cry. We squeeze it. Don't leave it, Mr. IGP." And yes, I didn't squeeze the balls, no. So, boss, no, say, irrespective of what is coming out there from government and government officials and other past government officials, because of their dealings and some of the things that are Modi Judy here. Don't look at that, Mr. IGP. Do the job. Hold the constitution of the Republic of Ghana at highest esteem. Guys, What is going on out there in the IGP office is very, very important. But I'm trying to make sure that I will keep some of the info and deal with it later. Now, the IGP is doing a yeoman's job as I speak with you now. Chuku the Jude thinks that it's business as usual. I'm sorry to tell you, say, Mr. Jude, it's not like when you go to the small police offices who come office, you can bribe your way out. In the IGP office, it's a serious business. So I'm telling you that if you think you can do those things and go around it and do your own way, I'm sorry. Now let me say something also here. Madam Chukwude Jude Ehineto, you are doing again. Mami we, Mami we, she's the prototype behind all the things that is going on. She is doing it again. The last time I posted a video, I told you guys there's somebody in the IGP of the lady Bakobi information be a she manages to link the information out. That particular lady, Mami we are reaching they are trying to see if they can bypass certain things. Mr. IGP Tete, you want to please, your image is at stake on this matter. Redeem your image, okay? Redeem your image and don't allow this guy to escape, okay? Don't allow him to escape. That is very, very important. Now, guys, in the coming week, information reaching us, Missy Fila. In the coming week, information reaching us, HSA, Yoko will start doing a yeoman's job on this man, okay? Yoko will do a yeoman's job on this man because Yoko is also going to start calling him to come to Yoko's office. Now, secretly, no, Chuku the Jude will not go there for people to see him. He will do his own thing, hide his way out, go to Yoko office. But Mr. Raymond Acha, you are a security analyst. I checked your background the last time, and I know, say, you know your job. So, irrespective of who give you the job, be it the president of the land, you have to hold the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana at the highest esteem, like you did to Chatawale, like you did to other people that you arrested, Chama to me and co. Mr. Raymond Acha. We are dealing with somebody allegedly that was actually jailed in his country. He ran away to Ghana, and so there's something that has to do with criminality, allegedly, what we are hearing. So when you come to your office, please do not allow these things to happen. It shouldn't be business as usual. Please scrutinize Mr. Jude with respect to his businesses, his companies, his so-called companies that we cannot even find them online. They don't have offices anywhere, and allegedly, according to Dr. Hassan Yarigano, due to be a GRH. And no crap, a big issue on its own because taxes, a big issue. So taxes, no so company. That is where we have to investigate his dealings and where he's receiving all those monies and getting all those monies from. And Yoko, I know, sir, within this week, going to next week, you start a thorough investigation into Chukwude. I know that the wife, contacted a man for Yoko, trying to make sure, say, they will bypass the system, but it will not work. I've told you guys, if you start doing something, Filano, will come and talk about it. So, seriously, police IGP and Yoko, they will descend on him. Now, the CID boss, I can tell you allegedly from where I say Chukwude Jude is not happy because he started initial was CID boss because of Lady Bakune Wohona Airborne. He's a bit happy about that. But unfortunately, no, a honsu nyama enkoyi investigation koso no HSA nyama bia ekokoso ni ade no. Dr. Hassan Ayaga petition not submitted a very rich to the extent say except a political hand with what is going on. If you see that Chukwude Jude, per what I'm hearing, per what I'm getting, per the information that is ringing in my ears, if Chukwude Jude escape all these things that Dr. Hassan Rega lay in front of the investigators, no, just said there's a political hand somewhere manipulating the thing. Just said Tinebu, Mahama say Yahoo BB at the end of the day. I'm telling you, allegedly, if he's able to escape this, it means that something is going on out there. Nebusha, a very important say we lay all these things here. Now, after so immigration officer, Mr. Samuel Basintelli. Hey, Radi Yesu. Chukwudi, you are in a mess. So if I were you, I would just run away from Ghana. I swear to God, if I were you, I would not even stay in Ghana at all, because Niamana ebubo bano a son. But you think a business as usual, and I say you are worried Ghana, so you can do your own thing. Now, immigration office, there are some issues. They are digging, and you want to bypass. I understand that documentation the work Ghana crown, and your documentation paper be mawari Ghana that kind of thing. So in GIS Hokrano, there's issues. I know say allegedly there are some people living in the GIS headquarters. They are helping to get this document done. Please, if you are listening to me now, stop it. Stop. Because Papa Nenua Basem Dada. So allow whatever state he is today to be part of the investigation and everything that will come out at the end of the day. If you do it, we'll hear and we'll mention your name. Okay? Dino Yabebo. The last time I mentioned one of you, your name in that particular office. It's very important, you guys, you disease from that. It's important. Say you heard your film idea. Immigration officer. That is also the other one we want to talk about on this platform. Okay, that's so national security, Kofi Boache, you are the one in charge, and I know you're a security expert. You know exactly what it is. AKA Mr. Japa. Hey, Abusia, Mr. Japa, you the case no. Eddie Abeshe, Mr. Japan 7. And you guys know say Mr. Japa there on Friday and Chesa. So it will happen. It will happen. I'm telling you, say, if all these institutions that this man have been the Dr. Asaria petition, this man passed through them. There's a political hand sitting somewhere. Whoever the political hand is, I'll bring it to you guys on this platform. I won't say anything, but who made the first call and who arranged the second call and who arranged the third call, I will make sure I will bring it here on this platform. Top Gossip 24. We are saying, say, government of the day, we are watching you closely. We are monitoring all the security agencies back to back, and want to make sure that whatever document Dr. Hassan Ayega prepared and drop it at your end will be thoroughly investigated, and Ghanaians want to know at the end of the day and a comprehensive report that shows that each institution will lay to the president and want to hear. We don't want it to be like one of the clearing agents. Now I'm saying that, Mr. Mahama, if you clear this guy like one of those things that you got people have been clearing, you'll be surprised that Ghanaians will punish the NDC and will punish them woefully and will punish them in 2028. I told you guys, I said the election 2028, the issues that will be part of election 2028 are these issues that we have: the kidnapping situation, buying of people doing 419, people coming to Ghana to come and rent place and stay in there and start teaching people how to do 419, people coming to Ghana and come and start online businesses where we don't know where their offices are and be robbing people online. That will be one of the issues that will determine at the end of the day how the election 2028 will be. Now let me talk about the cyber crime bill that is understand is going to Parliament. According to the information reaching me, I think that cyber bill that is going to Parliament, if it need to be scrutinized based on the information I'm hearing from the opposition, then it need to be scrutinized, and the right kind of energy or the power should be given to the right people. You understand what I mean? Now, I don't think that curtailing people from speaking their mind on social media is the best thing to do if you put that kind of cross in the system. All Ghanaians are looking for, by using that cyber bill, to clean the criminalities the foreigners that are living in Ghana are doing. Mr. President, I know the last time you said it, that you're going to use IP numbers to look for people. I don't think that that's the best thing to do. Even if you want to use that, it should be people that are saying things that are serious, but not somebody who is sharing his mindset with respect to how things are going, Mr. President. So I'm saying that if we want to put this cybersecurity issue on the table, this cybersecurity bill should be able to arrest any Nigerian, any Igbo man, any foreigner who is doing any serious business in Ghana, yet is not having the documentation or passing by our system. This cyber team bill should be doing that, and that is what Ghanaians are looking for. Not to stop people from talking, not to curtail people, not to hide behind and cook people and drag people to court. That is the reason why the criminal libel law was cancelled. If the criminal libel law was cancelled, nobody should hide behind the criminal libel law and bring a cyber security bill, which is looking at cancelling people and looking out for people online and dropping them down and arresting them and all that. Mr. President, if that is the duty of what you are bringing on board, I think that you are going beyond the human rights stuff that we all believe in. Otherwise, Ghana is going to where it's not supposed to go. Now, yesterday I made a video. I dropped a video, the reasons why Ghana have to leave ECOWAS. Now, I dropped that video. The reasons why Ghana need to leave ECOWAS now, I dropped that video. And that is very, very important. If we can use this cyber security thing, Mr. President, to be able to clean up our system, then there's no need to stay in ECOWAS. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, and I'm telling you, Chuku the Jude is in a mess again. The AIGP office, the Yoko office, and CID boss, GIS, and National Security are knocking his door like Kakai. Prepare for more. I told you guys, when you meet me here, can say fila, oh fila. This guy will run. He will run, I'm telling you, and he will run. The face that you saw the last time not happy is as a result of all these things that is coming on his door. Now I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to make another video where he's thinking. Now dreaming say everybody is going out there. When who said Dr. Asayega Akuchia now the into person Kobe. I will share with you guys in the next video. That's Sene Pierre Yako.